Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Okay, so this one's a little odd. I don't have an intro or an outro. I know I suck, but we're just diving straight into this one. So the shade that I am placing all over the lid and like crease area right now is Mary. Sorry, I have to look at the palette. It's sitting right in front of me. So this is the shade Mary. And I am putting it mainly in the crease area, but I'm dragging it a little bit onto the lid, like the outer corner area. Then I am taking a slightly darker shade. This is the shade Boutique on a still fluffy brush, and I'm just buffing that into the crease and outer corner as well. Just making sure everything's nice and blended. There's nothing new about that here. Continuously looking up at the monitor because I suck at staying in frame whenever I do these super close-up looks, so bear with me. So I'm going with the shade Benny here, and I'm just deepening up the outer corner and the crease area. Whenever we cut the crease, I want this to be, I still want this color to be visible, like after I do the concealer. Does that make sense? I hope so. You'll at least know what I mean whenever I actually do it. So I'm blending all of this through. It doesn't look beautiful right now, but what makeup look ever does in the beginning. So we're just placing this color down, and then we will move forward. I didn't realize how long I blended this. Wow. I am using a more dense, fluffy brush to do this, so that's why it looks a little bit more pigmented than it could have looked. Does that make sense? I'm not doing well describing this. Okay, so we're using sharp shape tape, wow, to cut the crease, and I'm just doing kind of like a half cut crease. So just taking it up. You guys saw the hooded eye trick, the one that Nicole Guerrero has so graciously taught all of us. Anyway, I'm just cutting the crease and kind of just tapping it, there we go, here on the edges to kind of blend it in. So what I didn't show you was me lightly taking that Benny shade over the edges there, but here you are seeing me apply the shade Halloween on a pencil brush, and I didn't spray it with Fix Plus the first time that I laid it down, and even though it is still beautiful, I did want it to get a little shinier. So here you do see me spraying Fix Plus on the shade Face. It's like the huge highlight shade in his palette. I don't know if I mentioned, I'm using the James X Morphe, the Morphe X James Charles palette, guys. It has been a long day. But I'm using the entire palette to do this look. So here I am applying the shade Ring Light to my brow bone and just buffing it, all together with that fluffy blending brush to make sure everything looks nice and seamless. So this look wasn't super hard. Obviously I just did a handful of things. I hope that I made sense as I'm sitting there trying to explain it to you guys. I'm trying to get this video up and out for you guys. Obviously I'm applying eyeliner there. I just literally lost my train of thought. So I applied that Lottie London kohl liner down and put on these Luxie lashes, and I'm not in the best frame. But you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking that Benny shade and applying it to my lower lash line. Ugh, maybe this is a new thing for me. What is it called? Resolution for 2019. Stay in frame. Yeah, here I literally had to put ooh over the screen because that's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen, right? This is it, guys. This is the end. I hope you guys like this one, and please forgive me. The next ones will be better. Okay. Thank you. Love you. Okay. Please subscribe. Okay, bye.